Hi guys, welcome to this channel. So guys, today we are talking about the different ways to earn money online writing. Uh, if you're new here guys, my name is Judith. I do how to make money online videos, personal finance videos, and personal development videos. If that is your kind of content, please consider subscribing to the channel, okay? Click the red button down below, subscribe, click the notification bell. Please share this video to your friends, your relatives who might be looking for different ways to make money online. I am the plug, yeah? So if you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up, share me out. So let's get into the video, guys. So writing, there are different forms of writing, or rather, there are different ways you can earn money online writing. And one of them, the one that we are all familiar with, is writing for clients. So you can, of course, there are many clients, both agencies that source work from different clients, and then we have those people who, the clients themselves, those people who earn who have businesses online. So you can write for those people and earn money writing for them. So that is one of the ways that you can earn money as a writer. So you can sign up to sites like Upwork, like Fiverr, like People Per Hour. You can also look for clients directly by going to their websites, going to their blogs. You can also find them on LinkedIn or Facebook groups, or Facebook rather, or any other social media platform, even Twitter. So that is one of the ways that you can earn money as a writer. The second one is academic writing, which I have talked about on this channel. If you haven't watched that video, please, it will appear up here. Please make sure you go and watch it. So academic writing is a bit different. It involves doing homework for students. So if you can pass the ethical bit of it, because some people don't do it because of that. If you can, if you're okay with it, that is, you can try it out. So that is number two. Number three, you can also earn as a writer by starting your own blog. I have also discussed that on this channel. You can go to my playlist of how to make money online. You will get how to get started with your blog and how to earn from it. So starting your own blog is actually one of the best, because now you're working for yourself rather than working for someone else. That is your business. You'll earn from it for as long as possible. So I always advise people, even if you're going to start by writing for other people, aim to write for yourself in the end. So that is about blog writing, as in starting a blog. And then we have number three, you can also earn as a writer by creating a course. So you can create a course in, for example, SEO. You can create a course in that will teach people how to be good writers, how to rank their blogs and all that. The good thing about creating a course, just like a blog, is that you'll be earning from it for a long time. Of course, you'll have to be updating it for once in a while, but in the end, it is yours. It is your product, and you'll be able to earn from it for as long as possible. Another thing is you can also earn as a writer by writing a book or an ebook and then selling it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. So again, writing a book is also one of the best. Even if you start by writing for other people, always aim for, if you are so enthusiastic about writing, then you should aim to write a book, honestly. Yeah. So there are so many genres in which you can write in. We have romance, we have fiction, so many. So you write a book and then you sell it, or you can use it to market your whatever it is that you're doing. So I think that's it for now. Those are there are 5 ways in which you can earn as a writer. So I hope, like, I know that most of us start by writing for other people, but even as you do that, always aim to start your own thing, so that so that you can earn even when you are not actively writing for other people. Like, you don't have to always be looking for jobs. Yeah, I hope I make sense. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope it has been helpful. If it has, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't, okay? And click the notification bell. Share me out to your friends who are looking for different ways to earn money online, because that is what I do on this channel. And thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye.